guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can wax your own eyebrows at home and your bigote. I don't know about you guys, but I am terrified of the nail salons, places where they do them with thread or threading. I cannot let anyone else touch my eyebrows ever again. If they are going to fuck them up, let it be me, because if I let someone else mess with them and they screw them up, that's it. Like, today I will be showing you guys how you can wax your own eyebrows so no one else can fuck them up except you, so you have no one to blame. It's actually pretty good timing because my eyebrows are looking a little ratchet and they need help. So they are pretty grown out, they have no shape, and I need to get them done. So I have all the stuff that I need here, and it's pretty easy actually. So I will let you guys know what we are going to need, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to need is obviously the wax, the little wax machine. You're going to need sticks. I use 2 different sizes. You are going to need a pre-cleanse and a wax residue remover. You are going to need, of course, the strips, and you are going to need tweezers, cotton rounds, and you can and scissors so you can cut the little strips to the size that you need. A little spoolie with well, a little spoolie to brush your hairs, and then I have one that's dual ended, so it has like a brush on the other side. You're going to need a little razor, and you're going to need any eyebrow product that you use. I personally use I use eyebrow powder, but when I want like a super glam, or when I'm waxing my eyebrows, like I want a more defined brow, I use the e.l.f. eyeliner in the color coffee, so it's the brown one. It is an eyeliner, but I use it for my eyebrows and it works pretty well. So yeah, I think that's all that we are going to need. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. The first thing you want to do is clean your eyebrows. So you're gonna grab your pre-wax cleanser oil. You're gonna go ahead and clean your eyebrows, so the top, the bottom, and if you're gonna do your bigote, you want to clean that up too. I'm gonna make sure you don't have a lot of residue, like makeup or, you know, like your lotions or whatever. I'm not wearing anything on my skin. Actually, my skin hates me right now. I don't know why, but I've been breaking out so bad. Like, it's like those painful under the skin ones that just hurt so bad. I don't know why, but mostly left. I think I'll have just these, and then everything else is just like scars. So yeah, after you clean your eyebrows, you want to kind of let that dry. I'm gonna clean up here too because I'm gonna wax my forehead a little bit, so I'm gonna do that. I mean, if you want to wax here, here, or your whole face, you could actually do that too, but I'm not gonna be doing that for today's video. I'm just gonna be showing you guys my eyebrows and my bigote. So yeah, so you want to go ahead and let that dry. Okay, so now that my eyebrows are dry, I am going to go ahead and fill them in. So this is my little tip here, so you could always get that flawless eyebrow and you could always get the same shape. So I like to fill it in. I'm going to be using the cream, and I'm gonna also use that spoolie, and I am just going to go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. Okay guys, so this is what my eyebrows look like. I know I look a little scary, but don't worry. This is just like a little, what do you call it? Like a what do you call it? Like a rough draft, I guess. So I just traced my eyebrows. I didn't fill them in or anything. And of course you see here that I like messed up, but that's okay. You want to try to get them as even as you can. I know eyebrows are not the same. You will never have like identical eyebrows. Just try to get them to look the same as close as you can. So yeah, this is what I have here. So now I am going to go ahead and wax. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and wax around all this area here, and then the same down here. I'm gonna wax all those hairs that I didn't outline. I'm also going to go ahead and be waxing right here in the middle, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take it up a little bit on my forehead. So let me show you guys. The type of wax I will be using today is the soft wax. There is a hard wax and a soft wax. I'm gonna be using the soft one because that's the one that I like better for my eyebrows, and you use strips for the soft wax. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my stick first. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and grab your stick and grab some wax, just like that. And then you're gonna remove the excess, just like that. So you want to grab about this much. So make sure your hair is out of your face, because if you get wax on your hair, it's gonna be so hard to take off. So just put your hair back, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab the wax, and I'm just gonna outline where I want to wax. Okay, so now that I have that on, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of my strips, and I'm gonna press that over my eyebrow. So just like that. So once you have that, you wanna go ahead and press down, just to make sure you get the strip to stick to the wax. And then once you do that, so you're gonna hold taut, and you're always going to pull the strip away the opposite direction your hair is growing. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna grab the strip and pull really fast. Okay, so now this little part that I have here, I'm just gonna do the same thing. Okay, so now that I have that part done, so the thing with the soft wax is you cannot go over the same area 2 times. You cannot do that, because if you do, you're going to rip your skin off and you're gonna burn it, and it's gonna be a hot mess, and that's not good. So if you look at your eyebrows and you see hairs that you wanna remove, that's when you go with your tweezers and you tweeze out those hairs. So I actually think that looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the bottom. So again, just like you did at the top, you wanna go ahead and grab your wax, and you're just gonna outline on the bottom. Be careful you don't get the wax on your eyelashes, you guys. Be very careful. Okay, so now that you have that, again, take your strip. Okay, so now you have that. Kind of close your eyes and press down. Be very careful with this area, you guys, because this is so thin. Be very careful. You're gonna pull back, press it, and then you're gonna pull, or you're gonna rip the strip the opposite way that your hair is growing. So 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna go ahead and fold it in half and press on the ones that, like spots that look like that. Just press down and just rip, and it'll come right off. So again, like I said, you do not want to go back, especially not in this area. You do not want to go back again with a second coat of wax, because you're gonna rip your skin off. So again, go back with your tweezers and just tweeze off any hairs that you see there. Okay, you guys, so it looks like that. You can see it's red, and that's normal, that's okay. And also I forgot to tell you guys, before you apply the wax on your eyebrows, you want to go ahead and test it on your arm just to make sure it's not too hot, so that way you don't burn your skin. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the middle here, and I'm going to apply the wax going up. You want to apply the wax the direction that your hair grows, so up. You want to make sure you don't apply a lot of wax, like a thick coat, because then it's going to be harder to take the hairs off. Press down, and then you're going to press up the way that the hair is growing. So the thing here is you apply the wax the direction that the hair is growing, and then you're going to rip, and then you're gonna pull the opposite way that the hair is growing. So you're gonna again hold really taut, and then you're gonna pull down. Okay, so it looks like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my bigote. I'm just gonna go ahead and go like this. You can count 1, 2, 3. Usually 3 times is okay. And rip. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eyebrow, this side of my bigote, off camera, and I will show you guys what we're gonna do next. Okay, so I'm back. I did my other eyebrow. We're gonna go ahead and remove the wax residue with the wax residue remover. It's an oil that takes off all the wax, and you're gonna also remove the eyebrow product that you have on. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and grab the little razor, and I'm just gonna go over the parts that we waxed, just to make sure, you know, if we missed a little hair or something. So this is how my eyebrows look, guys. Again, they are not perfect, they are not the same, but that's okay because I fill them in and I make him look the same. So yeah, this is how I do it, you guys. The last thing to do is just put a little bit of aloe vera, just so the redness could come down a little. And yeah, guys, that's all I do pretty much. I know it's a lot of steps, I know it takes time, but I don't know, if you're super picky with your eyebrows like I am, just go ahead and do it yourself. It's really easy. You can find all these things at Sally Beauty. I ordered my wax machine on eBay, I believe, so check there as well. But everything else that I have you can find at Sally's. It's not expensive. I think it's worth it. You could also wax your arms, your legs. I mean, all these products you can use for that. And when you buy strips, they come like this, so they're pretty long. So you use these for your legs, and you can just again apply the wax, use a thicker stick and just pull, and these work great for that. So your armpits, your, I don't know, whatever, your face, your arms, again, anything that you want to wax, anything, you can use all these products for that. So yeah, you guys, I think that is all. I don't think I'm forgetting anything else. Tweeze your eyebrows, you know, like maybe 2-3 times a week. Whenever you do your makeup, sometimes, you know, I fill in my eyebrows. I see a little hair, I will just tweeze it out. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. I know I'm not the best at explaining things, but I really tried my best. Really hope you learned something new from this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also click the little bell next to it so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.